Well, hello, my friends. It's the Crypto Lunatic, and I'm back to discuss, is crypto about to explode? Is it going to explode, my friends? Or is it crashing? Is it going to crash and burn? Crash and burn, crash and burn. So there's a couple of things, and this is the channel for beginners, for people new to the space. There's a few things that you need to know if you've been in crypto a while, for those that haven't been in crypto a while. For a start, a 30% swing on a single day is completely normal. It's completely normal, folks. Now, unless you're trading, you're looking to get in and out very quickly on shorts, on very short scale time frames, then that's a different conversation for a different day. This is not a trading channel, folks. This is about educating newcomers to the market and explaining a few simple concepts that those that have been here a while will understand. So let's start with this, folks. Throughout this whole bull cycle, which could has already started, and it could last as long as another year, potentially. Probably not, but potentially could. It potentially could. That most of the money that you'll make, around about 80% of the money that you'll make, will happen in about 6 days. If you miss those 6 days, then you've missed your opportunity for massive returns. Now, on those same thing, that you're going to get them going the other way as well. There's going to crash a few times. And so the safest bet, if you really want to be sure that you're going to appreciate those 6 day boosts, is to stay in. Is to stay in and to ride the storm. So, and then it's a lot more stress free. We're only looking at lottery money, gambling, sort of allocations is how I tell my friends to start, because the regulators tell me that's all I can say. This is not financial advice. This is just entertainment of me commenting and telling you about my own journey, which is putting tiny little bits into crypto, which I've been doing for about 4 or 5 years now. And at one stage, let me just say this, dollar cost averaging, putting small amounts in regularly. At one stage, my portfolio was down about 80%, folks. 80%. Now, a lot of people lose the plot, they sell up, they cash in or crash out, and that's completely normal. But fortunately, I zoomed out and I've always seen this as a 4 year strategy. And for people that have been in crypto from the last bull cycle, you'll have seen the market crash down as you do every four or so years. See a nice long bear market. That's a time to accumulate. That's only when the real believers get involved. And then you've got like a 3 phase pump bull cycle. And we are round about that second phase now. We've had the initial pump. So the people that got in early have already made a bit of money. And there's a few late comers to the bar party, and there's a few late coins to pump. So different sectors pump at different times. And it's all about the narrative. So being in certain sectors, you might have to wait a while where you see all this, all of these lunatics go, oh, look, we're making hundreds of millions of dollars, like in meme coins or whatever it is. You think, oh no, quick, jump out of my holding. And as soon as you jump out chasing pumps, then what you were holding will pump up. So the more stress-free approach to this, folks, is to get in with something that you believe in and stay in. Stay in for a while. And when you get whatever percent gains, let's say it's a 10x you're looking for. If it gets to 10x, sell it, folks. Have a strategy to get out. That's really important in crypto. Or certainly, what I tell my friends to do if they're new is once you put your money in, if it doubles, take your original investment out or your little flutter or gamble, and then the rest is pure profit. You're gambling with pure profit. So that's one way to do it, folks. But bear in mind, it can go the other way. As I say, at one stage, my entire portfolio was 80% down. It's normal, folks. Just sit back, chill, relax. Now, at the moment, you've got BlackRock buying a hell of a lot of Bitcoin. You've got MicroStrategy buying a hell of a lot of Bitcoin, way more than is actually being released. So the demand is way higher than the supply. Now, what happens at this stage of the market, folks, if you're wondering, why has there been this big pullback? Why have we stopped going to the moon? What happens is you get lots of idiots, folks, that start trading with leverage. And some people are using 100x leverage and throwing in these massive longs when Bitcoin starts to pump. Now, there's no way the market makers are going to pay out on these all these 100x leverage. So what they do is they have to drag the market back to short all of these longs. And once they're cashed out, once they liquidate them, then we can go back up again. And it's usually when people have lost confidence or have enough doubt to stop putting on the 100x leverage, then the market goes up again. That's generally what happens. Now, there's certain narratives that will lead it or that will lead the way that can do things to it. But at the moment, folks, the best strategy for newcomers is to leave leverage alone and to leave your crypto in and to just get in with small amounts. And now at this stage in the market, there's been a nice little pullback. Now is a really good entry point, a really good entry point. So that's my opinion, folks. That's just my little tuppence worth. This little pullback is the only way to look at it is a great opportunity to get in if you're late to the party. And there's plenty of my videos talking about some of the ventures that I get involved in that I've been recommending. But you need to know this, folks. Every influencer, a monkey with a ball, with a bingo ball, could pick out numbers between 1 and 100 and be a crypto expert, folks, because most cryptos go up in a bull cycle and everyone's an expert. So just beware who you follow, beware the information that you're getting. Always do your own research and don't put anything in that you can't afford to lose. But apart from that, stay chilled, my friends, stay chilled. The market has drawn back to flush out all of this leverage and it will almost definitely pump in January. So there you go. There's my little crypto update. And if you want more of my little crypto updates, then do like and subscribe to the channel and you'll get more insights from me. And there's another little nugget over there. So go off, have fun with crypto and sit back while everyone else is losing the plot because it's the only way to go, folks. The only way to go.